Hey there Team Beast, my name is Kyle Campbell and today we're going to be talking about how to sell. My tips on how to sell, outsell your competition, and how to sell in a way that's enjoyable, not trying to do tips and tricks and all these gimmicks to try and get people sold that you see out there. People talking about NLP and mirroring the client. It's just ridiculous in my opinion. So this is my take on how to sell. First of all, the first tip is you got to add value. It's got to be all about what can I give to the client? How can I add value to the client? When you're talking to the client, if most people are thinking about what can I do to get them sold? What can I do to make them sign? It's got to be more about, Ryan Serhant says, nobody likes to be sold, everybody loves shopping with friends. So no one likes a pushy salesman saying, so do you want to ring that up, do you want to, you got to obviously ask for the sale, but in a non-pushy way, and how you would be trying to convince your friend to buy a product that you know is good for them. That's how you got to be with your clients. So that's my first tip on how to sell. And the next tip is know your numbers. You got to know your numbers, guys. So if it's calling, do 50 to 100 calls and write down every response you get, every objection, every no, straight up no, and then know your numbers. And what's awesome about this, you can work on improving it, but the best part, that gives you peace of mind if you like, okay, 1 in 10 calls I get a sale, and then you calculate, okay, how much is each call worth to you? And then every time you get a no, it's not a waste, because it just takes you one step closer to a yes if you know your numbers. So let's say 1 in 10 calls you make 10,000, then you know, okay, each phone call is worth 1,000. This is awesome. And if you work it out that every call you make, you feel that you made 1,000 in whatever currency your country's in, that's amazing. And then you almost feel like you're in control of your income, and that's the best part of sales. It's when you know you're in control, you know what you can control your income, and that's the best thing. The next thing is enthusiasm, man. There's nothing better than you walk into a store, you walk into a sales room, and the people there are enthusiastic, upbeat, and ready to go. So you want to be upbeat, enthusiastic. You walk in the store, hey man, how can I help you? What can I do for you? Tells you what they're looking for. You know what, I got the perfect one for you. In my opinion, this is why I think it's good. You know what I mean? And lastly, how much value can you add if you don't know your product? You got to know your stuff. Know your numbers, know your products. There's nothing better than an informed salesperson that's genuinely trying to add value and just telling you the key points that are going to help you make a good decision. So the next point is you got to know your product better than anyone, way better than your clients, and then your client will feel like you've just added so much value and helped them make a good decision. Sometimes the more expensive product's better for the client. Sometimes it's not, but if you put their best interest first and sell them genuinely what's best for them, they're gonna come back or they're gonna refer their friends. So that's my key tips on sales. I gotta go. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much.